Hey there, it's your girl Tweetie, and welcome to my daily smoothie series, Blends by Tweetie, where I blend up more than just fruit. I'm sharing smoothies that nourish life, whether you're a new mom trying to lose or gain weight, fueling your workout, boosting milk supply, or sneaking veggies into picky eaters. Have got a recipe for you. From pregnancy to postpartum, kids to older adults, I've got a smoothie for everybody and every season of life. I'll be sharing powerful, quick, easy recipes packed with ingredients that actually make a difference. Smart swaps, and all the little tips that make your smoothie next level, So, whether you're eating, fueling, glowing, or just surviving another morning, I got you. Hit the follow and subscribe button. Grab your blender and let's sip all the way to better days. Welcome to Blends by Tweetie.
Hey smoothie lovers, welcome back to Blends by Tweetie, where we blend with purpose, sip with intention, and glow from the inside out. Today we are blending up pure sunshine in a glass, my watermelon pineapple smoothie. Start with half a cup of fresh pineapple chunks for that tangy tropical kick. Add half a cup of sweet juicy watermelon, hydrating and naturally refreshing. Then half a cup of mandarin for a burst of citrus brightness. Drop in one banana for natural creaminess and just the right amount of sweetness. Now pour in 1 cup of milk, dairy or plant-based, your choice, and finish with half a cup of ice cubes for that cool frosty texture. Blend until silky smooth and vibrant. The result, a smoothie that's refreshing, naturally sweet, and perfect after a long day. It hydrates, satisfies, and makes you feel like you're on vacation. Life's too short not to treat yourself to something this good. Recreate this and let me know what you think. Cheers to health, hydration, and happy vibes. Follow for more daily smoothie recipes that heal, energize, and help you glow from the inside out.
I got you. Yes.